How to share your Spotify playlist with someone. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of 1 2 Step. Now in terms of sharing your Spotify playlist, there are a couple of things that you can do. Let's dive into each one of them. So firstly, when you open up your Spotify app, tap on your library on the bottom. Now either you can create a playlist, a new playlist to start sharing, or you can also choose the playlist that you have already created and share that playlist. So just tap open the playlist that you want to share, tap on the three dots, and here you will have an option of share. If you tap on the share option, we can see various platforms where you can share this Spotify playlist through. Now this way the other person won't be able to customize this playlist. So if you want the other person to also customize and add in songs of their likings, instead of directly sharing, what you can do is tap on this invite collaborators. So if you tap on this option, and this same interface will open up, but now the other person that you share this link to, they can also add in songs of their choice to this playlist. So this is kind of better than just sharing the Spotify playlist. Now the third thing that you can do is create a blend with other people. So to do that, tap on the plus icon on the top right and tap on blend. Now blend is a feature on Spotify which automatically picks the music or songs from your Spotify depending upon the most played songs, and it's gonna also add songs from the other person's playlist or the most played songs. So if you tap on invite, you can share this link through various platforms, and when someone taps on this link, they will be automatically added to the blend playlist. So this is a blend playlist right here, and this includes songs from both of the people that you see on the top. If you want, you can add up to 10 people by tapping on this human icon, and you can send in more invites. So those are the couple of ways that you can share your Spotify playlist with someone. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.